就是你妈就得，我跟你讲就得果断。
我真的有点不行。Oh, I think we just disconnect for
你这是回放，现在
so
你这是
这个链接往下。Hello, hello. We just disconnect for a few minutes, but I think we are now reconnect. And
真的没有。啊，面对性。先来吧，进入初级上了。Sorry, our what?
Yeah.
Sorry, our internet crashed. Yeah. Yeah, let's continue. Right. So we have so many, enterprise level users around the world that include Tencent, the Sega, Ubisoft. This is all of this is one of the first tiers, right? Game developers studios around the world. So to use physical Avatary for their own games and 3D dramas, and right. So we last month we released a new software, called Fogo, right? Fogo is one of the it's 3D camera based feature animation software, but it's for desktop level. I mean, it's very different compared with the mocap level one. It's not only performers. You don't have to go to in a mocap studio to use the heavy you know device for your feature animation, because this is for desktop.
Yeah.
Right, desktop. So animators and VTubers can use this software anytime, anywhere, for their to obtain the high fidelity feature animations. So it's cool. So let me introduce a little bit more about Fogo right now. Yeah, I think there's six new features right now. The first feature is desktop level. Yeah, just like I have a camera here, so you can see now it's the 3D camera. So we just put out this the camera on the desktop, so we can do it twice randomly. So this is desktop level. And the second feature is device agnostic. I mean, we can Focal could use any kind of use a generic the generic 3D cameras could produce the animation in real time. Right. And third is cross-platform SDK, of course, so we can support any kind of DCC around the world, no matter how you use, whatever you use. Maya 3D Max, I clone, of course, I clone, I clone, and finally, right, and C, C4Ds and Blenders,
Maya.
Unreal, Unity, right? So we support any kind of this platform, and of course you can develop your own, software based on Fogo SDK. So we will release the Fogo SDK in the future. So yeah, and the fourth feature is called customizable. I mean, customizable means we can drive any kind of rig, right? Any kind of rig. I mean, Ziva RTs, metahumans or snappers, or your own rig. We can drive it straightforward. I mean, you can generate the animation weight into your controllers, so you can polish it, whatever you want. And the fourth and the fifth feature we call this is the high precision real time. We run in a real time way. We can produce almost a 30 fps. We can produce high quality animation data. And, to streaming to the the Unreal Engine or Unity straightforward. Of course, that includes Maya. We can generate the animation data in Maya in real time. It's same, right? So the last one we call this 4D solution. So the Focal could skip the rig. We can break the limitation about rig systems. So we could drive your digital avatar straightforward based on the point cloud, right? P2P we call this. Right? So we can generate the high fidelity 3D animations, 4D mode, in the full 4D mode, right? Yeah, that's all. This is about our, we just we have a brief, in reviews about our technology and softwares.
You're gonna
Yeah, yeah,
do a demo for us, right?
yeah, yeah. We would like to demo. Yeah, would like to demo Fogo right now. So I prepared a software here. So yeah, of course Fogo is a support would support iClone. Yeah, we are developed. We are now working with the Revolution team together right now for the Fogo. You know, it would be yeah, it would be okay. Finally, right? Finally, we are
We are working
working
on that.
we are working on it with
Yeah.
it very properly, and yeah, let's see. Right. So let me demonstrate the software right now.
It's a result after our beta test, right?
Yeah, it is still a bit tested, but it's not the final resource. We are still under developing. We need a lot of optimization work to be done. So here is the focal camera. So we developed up ourselves. So it's a 3D camera. Yeah, and the results is pretty good, and it's much higher than the arcade, right? And you can see now.
没有切那个
Oh,
软件。This is our software interface
yeah, yeah,
of Focal.
yeah. This is a photo right here. So typically we type your IDs and password that registry. You can register your account on our website, avatary.com website to register this account, and then you download Focal and you can use it without a problem.
Do I need to register a new account, like,
Hmm.
or I can use my Avatary account?
You could use a new one or use our account. It's no problem. So, yeah. So this is the main GUI of Fogo. So there is three different kind of window here. The left one is the view 2D. Is the live streaming of the video. So you can see my face, my impression is so we can in real time. So right, the right one is the 3D class, of course. Yeah, the 3D class that was capture from the camera, in real time. Yeah, the bottom one is the graph editor. So this tool is for your animations. To adjust or polish your animation. Yeah, this is the tool just like Maya. Yeah, and of course the video you could dock your video any way you want. So you can dock it and rearrange your layout. Yeah. When we first at the first time, when you open the photo, that you need to build your face, right? You build face. Typically, it's a 3D scan process. So there is 26, 23 different kind of expressions, and you need scan your expressions one by one, or one of them. So you could pick up and to scan if you want, and you could pick out anyone to generate your face, right? But for the convenience, I would like to scan the only one, the neutral expressions for the demonstration, and yeah, and then we to say how this works and how good it is, right? Okay, so let's start.
So this is the first facial pose for the
Mm,
ghost.
yeah, this is the neutral one, right? So when you scan your face, and then we click this button to generate the topology of your face, and Fogo would generate a 52 blank shape automatically for your face for your rig, and of course you can customize your own one. You know, this process is very fast. You can see now this is my face. They will generate here in real time. So then we have this. It's down. So we get uh, 26, 23 different effects here. So uh, yeah, but yeah, we just skin one face, right? One face here, single face. But the last one, the left one, it was generated by the AI automatically. So uh, yeah, but there is some error here, of course. But if you want to obtain the best resource, you have to skin one by one. You skin the impression one by one, right? So we will demonstrate a little, right? So yeah, we're back to the main GUI here, and we can capture the face, capture some kind of the impressions in real time, and see how it works. Okay, let's start. Okay, scale real time performance capture. Right, right. And then we can click the right button to generate the impressions. And the whole process is very fast and the resource is very good. Yeah.
You can see the right side windows. The animation of this footage process right away, and you can see how fast this is and how good this quality will be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And this is the animation curves. You could polish the curves whatever you want.
Yeah, just like
Right.
my right.
Yeah, yeah.
It's only with one skin.
Yeah, just the one impressions. I mean, I just just scan one single impression to obtain this resource. Yeah, so you can see now there are some little arrow around the lips. This is because we just only scan one single position.
Yeah, there are
Right?
like
Yeah,
20
20,
more
yeah,
poses
22.
okay,
Yeah,
22. So if you record more, the
yeah,
more for that the animation will be.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so let's finish the works. Let me scan the rest of the poses right now, and the 22 poses left. Yeah, let's scan it one by one right now to obtain the best resource.
Okay. So for recording one pose, we kind of like need to move around our head to make sure that every details of our head, our facial expression will be recorded to our photo software.
'Cause in that moment, we can answer some questions.
Yeah, I'm seeing some comments right here. So how can we transfer to the characters? Will be a new retitle or export templates for different characters. Photo is like we will have a new way to export the animation. So we are now still working on it. Like we are still developing for the tools, and of course we will have a way to let you to explore animation and also animation curve to the DDCs you have to your captures.
And we're asking, we have a releasing date. At the
Uh,
moment, we're still on the test, right?
uh,
Will be very soon.
yeah, but we cannot confirm a date right here for you because we are not also not sure for this phase.
We will release the beta version this month.
Yeah. A better version this month, but a confirmed date is uh this month we'll have a better version.
And our friends also concerned about the price as well. I think the price will be affordable for
Yeah, it's just
animators.
a camera that you have, and also you have our photo software.
So I think like after we release, the price will be surprise for many animators.
Yes.
Actually, like our algorithm is- calculates the expressions very fast. Now you can see, finish this 23 expressions. You don't need to have much time. Much time. Around 5 minutes, or you like if you are not familiar, like JLo, it takes like 10 minutes, right?
Like we're almost there. We have three to go.
Yeah, it's down. So finish. Yeah, start to generate the topology and to generate the blank shapes automatically, right? You can say the algorithm is fix the error, between the AI output. The whole process is very fast and very accurate. So it's crazy.
Can we see the new result now?
No, almost done. Finished.
So right now he is just processing every process of the
Yeah,
footage, right?
right. So the process right now is it's a 3D modeling and rigging process, I think. But it's automatically without any handy works, yeah, inside, right? Yeah, it's finished. So we have the whole facts, is being scanned one by one. So just check out the resource outside to see how it works, right? So I will do the performance again.
Yeah, right now is Journal is coding a new footage and it has all process
So you
that
can
can
see now the subtle motions right now. My face is
Also, we will have the hand rotations, like not no man.
So the subtle motion of the leaves is good, right? It's no problem. So just of course that include the head rotations. You can rotate your head, so without any problem. So let's do the performance in the real time. And we would generate the animation in real time to Maya into Maya straightforward. So you could obtain your you could polish your animation in real time Maya. So this the whole process is very fast and the efficiency is high, right?
This option.
Right. Okay.
It's now okay. The voice
This
is
is the microphone proposal.
Let's get a real time performance capture mode high. So it's one of the performance. We can do the animation in real time performance. Let's get it pretty good. You can see the animation is it's good. I mean, the subtle motions it's been was generated well.
Jill, you also mentioned about like our new
Hmm.
ragging
Yeah.
function, right?
Yeah, we will demonstrate this later. Yeah, we demonstrate later. So this is the focus of all about it's a desktop level feature animation for 3D animators based on a 3D a generic 3D camera. So we would Fogo will support iPhone, so you could use iPhone for the input. In the future version, of course, and we will release the beta version this month, end of this month, actually, so everyone can download the Fogo. But yeah, yeah, you have to use our camera right now because we are Fogo is not support iPhone yet. We will develop the future right now in the future. So, but you can have a try. It's no problem. So this is a Fogo is all about. So and yeah, I think that's all. So for next, we would like to demonstrate the
our software.
yeah
Right?
the software,
We
right?
can use in right now version
Yeah,
Avatary, right?
yeah. We would like to share the new feature or the new ability
Yeah.
about Avatary and Enterprise Pool, right?
Yeah. So next, I will demonstrate our Avatary functions that is our enterprise version, right?
Yeah,
And let's start.
yeah. I think it's a mocap level solution,
Yeah,
right?
Moncalo. Like
Yeah.
Jello Fogo is like a 4D,
Yeah.
4D camera things, and right now we are mainly focused on two D's
Right.
footage, and we will be basically using our
Yeah.
D2 helmet.
Yeah, it's
That you can
typically
check.
it's for mocap studio scenario. Right?
Yeah.
To use for you can capture performing videos at meantime. I mean with your mocap solution, mocap system.
So this is our software, and I will start with Auto Rig. After
Yeah.
Auto Rig, I
So
will
yeah, today we will demonstrate the auto rig, which is the auto with a rig tool.
Yeah.
It's full automatic
Yeah.
features. You can generate the high fidelity rig automatically, right? And the second feature that we call the auto solver.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can solve multi tasks in a real in the same time at the same time. So this is called a batch robot. I mean the batch mode. So we would like to demonstrate this kind of pipeline, right? So Joe can sit here and have a side.
So so these two tools is we are going to show you how fast to do a rig, also and how fast to do our animation. And so we'll start from rigger in here. So right now we support MetaHuman rig and kit rig. So today we are going to use MetaHuman rig as an example, and I'm going to load a scenes that with only have mesh. So this human body mesh that I want to use in a MetaHuman rig. So right now a lot of tools can use to have this rig, but you can see how our face good rigor tool can functioning in our MetaHumans. So one things you need to make sure that is all this mesh is MetaHuman topology. Okay, so this is necessary if you want to use our tools. This one is you have to make sure everything like eyelash, eyeballs, and your head and your body, all this should be human topology. And then we click our riggers in here, and we load human scenes right here. So this is how it looks when you go to our auto rig panels. So first things we have to set a path for this project. And I have create empty folders in here and initialize an MetaHumans joints into the scenes. So this one is Unreal 4 MetaHuman rig. So make sure that when you do a retopology, you have using a Unreal 4 rig in our scenes. So next things we need to record the face and our all mesh into our pose. So I will start with face and T and all this stuff. So after we record all this, we will kill it. Then start rigging, and it will start to rig the measurement panels into our mesh. So usually it will take like two or 3 minutes to finish. So so in
our computer, right?
yeah. So if you have better performance PC, it should be faster.
What kind of PC are we using?
We are now using I think it's nine generation internet.
So
In
it's not very like
it's not like best performance in the game production or CG productions. It's just like a normal performance right here.
Yeah, but I think some friends here, is curiosity about why we developed this kind of plugin.
Hmm.
You know, because we developed a Seattle AI which could drive metahumanoid straightforward. I mean, you can drive 66, right?
All the
Six-
bones and
yeah,
branches.
it's almost 660 branches and 820 points, right? In the same in the real time. But so we developed this kind of plugin for the animators or for clients for users to they could use our Seattle AI much easier.
Mhm.
So we
So
developed this kind of plugin, but it's only for Unreal.
Yeah.
Only for Unreal agents. So you have to use Unreal because
because Management is developed by Epic Games, so
Yeah.
it has to be Unreal Assets if I using in real time.
Yeah.
So after we finish the rig, we will use our bench robot to calculate the animations in our bench robot. In bench robot, you don't need to like load Maya again. All the calculation and all the animation will be processed in our bench robot. you can see like we prepare a 100 task, 100 footage right here. So you can check how if you have multiple footage altogether, how this tool can help you to uh, uh, mm, to
Speed up.
improve your pipeline of your animations.
And by the way, just forget about the very important thing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
The like
120 FPX HMC. You
yeah
know, yeah.
yeah
We need to demonstrate the still the new product.
yeah
It's powerful. I mean the resource is pretty good.
yeah
The resource.
we can demonstrate after we finish the
Yeah,
batch
yeah,
roll.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the it's so insane. I mean,
Yeah.
the real time.
I think I
resource.
can put on the helmets and have the real time solution and
Yeah, yeah. We will demonstrate this helmet here. So it's the 120 FPS. Yeah, the animation is very it's so smooth and so accurate.
Because it sells like this is new product.
Yeah, yeah. We demonstrate later.
okay, the rigging is now finished and we can chat a little bit to see everything is working good, like his mouth and all the things good, and then we can go to our bench robot to calculate all the footage to this rig. So this rig right here, and what we're gonna do is we need to set this scene so make sure his output is great. So let me set a little bit right here. So bench robot will have the resolve for the perspective viewpoint in here. So I need to make sure that this viewpoint is good. So the result will you can check the result good in the should be fine. And let's hide the joint in here and save the scene. Yes. In this rigger, and we need to save this as MD files. And then we can turn on our bench robot scenes in here.
Yeah, the batch robot, the new app for enterprise version, and yeah, we would deploy it into the cloud environment, so the user can use it anytime, right? It's on their own base.
I think I need to close the.
Yeah, let me explain about a little more about the batch robot. Yeah, that batch, tradition, official cap software, that has two different process. The first one we call the tracking. We have to you have to track your video, you know, the, one by one by hand. The cost. I mean, the time cost is very high. Typically, you could only produce 7 minutes per day. Because the whole pipeline is very high, very heavy, right? And the second step we call the retargeting. The retargeting is manual, of course. So you need to retarget your animation manually in Maya. So these two kind of process is too heavy for enterprise. You need to hire several people, several workers to do this job. you know. But in the batch robot, we call this the AI way. We can generate animation based on the AI, just based on one single video. We could produce the animation in real time. So you don't need you don't have to track videos by hand. You don't have to retouch the animation manually. Everything will be done automatically. So this is called batch robot. Of course, we can solve the animation in batch mode. I mean, the tasks, and we will demonstrate here, and you will see that.
I think our internet connection is. Let me.
What is it?
可能是那 VPN 的问题，可能是那 VPN 的，我能关一下那 VPN 吗？
关闭就忘了，
但是它开好像。Okay, let's change different signals.
你是国内的，因为你国内。
别。
We have a little problem here, so we're bugging right now. So
I think probably because the engine.
We use epoxies for this PC, so.
Good time out.
啥意思？
So we turn it off.
我关一下吧。
你关了之后要重开了。
I try American for China.
你知道这个是什么原因吗？
这个我关了这个 VPN 就可以，应该是。
关了灯上去让它打开。
然后我们再开 VPN。
Let's sign. Still.
关了吧。
你注册你上位注册账号啊？你用国际版的，国际版还要装是吧？国际版要装吗
OK， 对。
可以了。
关了就可以。
关了什么东西？
关了 VPN。
关了。
So it's now good and.